Quadruple murder suspect Majorjon Kaylor wants the judge to throw out any statements he made to investigators, saying deputies did not read him his Miranda rights. Court documents say that Kaylor told investigators he, quote, snapped and killed 4 of his neighbors, claiming 18-year-old Devin Smith exposed himself to his daughters.
Our Marissa Rio was in the courtroom in Wallace today and has the very latest.
According to law officials at the scene the night of the crime, Majorjon Kaylor was not read his Miranda rights until after he already admitted to the shootings. The defense wants the statements that Kaylor made before and after his rights were read to him thrown out. Lieutenant Bilaski was called to the stand as a witness in today's hearing. Lieutenant Bilaski is the law official who responded to the scene the night of the Quadruple homicide. After Bilaski arrived on scene and saw Majorjon Kaylor, he asked what was going on. Kaylor responded that he shot his neighbors. Bilaski eventually handcuffed Kaylor and put him in his patrol car. Bilaski said he did not read Kaylor his Miranda rights. The defense asked Bilaski if it was because there was a hectic scene that he did not read Kaylor his Miranda rights. Bilaski said yes. Kaylor stayed in the car for about 2 hours. Detective Klitsch was also called to the stand as a witness. He was the lead detective on the case. Klitsch said they went to a church to interview Kaylor. He said his plan was to make himself more relatable to him. He said that makes the suspect more willing to speak. He talked with Kaylor about a podcast on a child predator. Kaylor began talking with him. At this time, Kaylor still hadn't been read his Miranda rights. When the defense asked why, Klitsch said because he hadn't asked questions yet. It wasn't until later in the conversation that Klitsch read Kaylor his Miranda rights. Klitsch told Kaylor he needed to do procedural expletives. The defense asked if he thinks rights are just procedural expletives, to which Klitsch said no. Defense asked why did he say that then? Klitsch said he shouldn't have. Reporting in Shoshone County, Marissa Rio, 4 News Now.